Today we will be covering Lesson 19-3, Additional Properties of Exponents. This lesson will be divided into four sections. We'll cover questions 1 and 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 8, and both example A and B together. Okay? Today we're going to be developing the power of a product, and the power of a quotient property. We're going to be simplifying expressions involving exponents. Number 1 starts off by saying, write each expression in expanded form. Now we've been doing this for 2 lessons now, so we should be able to do this. Then write the expression using a single exponent with the given base. The first one has been done for you. So it says 2 squared raised to the 4th power. So what that means is 2 to the second, 2 to the second, 2 to the second, 2 to the second, because that's what was inside the parentheses. Now remember, each one of these means 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2. And we ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twos by doing it this way. Let's take a look at the example they have for us. Here in line 2, it says 5 to the 5th power raised to the 3rd power. This one's going to get a little long, so be ready to write. And make sure you write kind of small. We've got 5 to the 5th times 5 to the 5th times 5 to the 5th. It appears 3 times because we had an exponent of 3 here. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Each one of these 5s is raised to a 5th. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do our second set of 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do our last set of 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that's a lot of 5s. Let's go count them up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 5s. So we have an exponent of 15. All right. X to the 3rd raised to the 4th. So this 4 tells me I'm going to have this 4 times. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. What does this 3 tell me? This 3 tells me I have X 3 times. So that's for each one of those though. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We've done it twice now. We'll do it the 3rd time. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have X to the 12th power. Based on the pattern you observed in item 1, write the missing exponent in the box below to complete the power of a product property for exponents. Okay, now over here we had exponents 2 and 4, right? And then over here we had 8. Well, it's not 2 plus 4, right? That's 6. Can't be a subtraction because that would either be positive 2 or negative 2. Sorry about that. Okay. Then, oh man, this one's hard. Let's see if we see any more patterns. Okay. I got 5 and 3 here. And over here we have an exponent of 15. 5 and 3. Can't add, that's 8. Subtracting would be 2. Let's look at our last one. 3 and 4 gives us an exponent of 12. Three plus 4, well, that's 7. If I subtract, it's either 1 or negative 1. But I'm trying to get 12. What if I multiply? 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. And 3 times 4 is 12. So if we have a power, 8 to the m power, being raised to another power, you multiply your exponents. So this would be mn, or m times n, if you want to say that. Here in question 3, it says, use the power of a power property to write x to the 6/5 to the 25. Okay? So we just said if we have a power raised to another power, we multiply the two powers together. So we've got x, and we're going to multiply 6 over 5 times 25. That would be x to the 6/5 times 25 over 1. Let's see if we can start simplifying this, man. X, that's 150 over 5. X to the 150 divided by 5, 30 power. Ooh, boy. X to the 30th power. On to your next set of questions.